So I got my Stihl BR800c with the remote start, and I was using it yesterday to blow off the driveway of the dirt, and it started sounding like a Harley Davidson. My muffler fell off. So let's take this apart, see if I could just bolt that back on. I'll start it up so you can hear it first. So horrible design. So that's what it sounds like now. Let's take it apart and see if we can fix it. I've never cleaned this. I think I'm gonna blow it out with a blower before I put it back in. Huh. All right, one bolt fell out and one bolt broke off. Gasket's still good. Actually, 3 bolts. I think there was a bolt down here too. Yep. Muffler's still good. All right, I gotta go to the store and I gotta buy more bolts. Let me show you. So the muffler goes right there. And when I opened it up, it had the gasket hanging like that, and this one piece of a bolt hanging there like that. That's it. So I gotta go, I'm gonna go to the dealer and try to find the 3 bolts that go to it right there. All right, I'm going to the dealer. I'll be back. Just returned from the John Deere dealer. That's actually where I bought it 4 years ago, actually. Oh, I forgot an air filter. All right, well, I got the 3 bolts, so I'm gonna put that back together, and I'll blow the air filter off with their air compressor. So I just blew this off with the air compressor. I'll order a new one. I just found the 2 bolts that came out. They fell inside the pull cord. So I went to the store and bought new bolts for the muffler. I found 2 of the 3. 2 of them were in pull cord that were just flopping around in there. So now I have 2 extras that I will save. All right, let's see if it starts. Alright, guess it starts. It's not like this is making some noise though. I'm gonna take that back off. Just make sure it's on right. So it didn't sound right when I started it, and turned out this clip came off, and that's how your pull cord works. These spring out when you pull this, and I must have put them in wrong. I must have bound it in there. So anyways, that's why you take it apart when it doesn't sound right. Take it apart, double check, and that's all it was. Simple fix. If I kept running it, I would have ruined it, and I would have had to buy more parts. So let's put it back together. Turn the choke on. Oh. Nope, I put it on wrong. This, I didn't even notice. Attention to was this arm, there's a little notch in here that it goes into, so when you pull it's solid. So let's try it again. Choke's on. Runs good. runs good. So let me show you what I was talking about for this pull cord. So this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, these are long, and then there's one down here, way underneath there. And one thing I didn't realize was this black plastic piece has a tab on it that actually goes in here. So you got to make sure that's in there, and then that locks this a little bit better, a little stronger, so when you're pulling against it, you're not pulling against the arm itself, it's pulling against the airframe. Air cleaners in here, 2 bolts right there, spark plugs in here, one bolt right there, and that's your muffler. And like I said, my muffler fell off, and I actually found, I put 3 new bolts in, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. The gasket was still good. I went and picked up 3 new bolts, but when we were putting it back together, I found 2 of the 3 in here, and the 3rd one was broken, and it actually came out by hand when I was taking it apart. So it's up and running. It actually runs better now than it did before, and it must have to do with the back pressure that the muffler provides. When the muffler's on properly, it idles now all by itself. All right, we're done fixing the muffler on the BR800. It's the BR800c Stihl. I bought it, I think 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Would I buy it again? No, I would not. I like everything about it, except it has the remote pull cord here. So it's on my left side also, and I have a bad rotor cuff. So I can't start it with my left hand anyways when it's on. I would just rather have a regular pull cord. But it's definitely very, very powerful. It's definitely the strongest backpack blower I've ever had. The tools that I needed to take that all apart was their spark plug wrench that comes with it. It's like a T25, I do believe. And then the smaller one for the muffler, because it's a T20. I took the muffler screen off, the spark screen in the muffler, just to make sure it was clean. And that was a T20. So, all right, well, this video is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave comments if you want. Keep the language clean in the comments. I like to keep it a kid-friendly channel. And once again, sorry about these glasses tinting up automatically on me. I'm gonna eventually get some new ones that don't tint up. All right, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.